Hey boys and girls! I wanted to share this special book with you that I found on Epic called Kids Around the World. Now, I really enjoyed this book. I learned a lot of new details, but it also had a bunch of amazing photographs for us to really understand what it's like for kids around the world. So I wanted us to take a look together and see what information the text tells us and what information these photographs told us. Let's go ahead. Here's our table of contents. So when I look at this, I can see a bunch of different countries, which is really awesome that there is, let's see, Nunavut, Bolivia, Tanzania, China, Afghanistan, Germany, and America. So I bet if I go to page 4 is where we'll learn about our first country. Let's go ahead and read the introduction. Kids are kids all around the world. No matter where they live, they are a lot like you. Turn the page and meet some kids from around the world. All right, let's see. Nunavut. My name is Charlie. I live in Nunavut. It is very cold and snowy here. I go to school in a snowmobile. My family has lived here for many years. I think I will always live here. Wow, so now guys, if we use the illustrations and these photographs to figure out some more information, I can see that in Nunavut, they wear really thick clothing. It almost looks like animal fur so that they can keep warm. They have boots and hoods that cover their heads. I can also see when I use the photographs and I use this map that they are located in Canada in this big purple area. And last, I can also tell that they have dogs like Siberian Huskies as pets in their country. That's a lot of information I got from the pictures. Let's try another country. Bolivia. Here's my heading right here. My name is Rosa, and I live in Bolivia. My family keeps goats, and I take care of them. My home is very pretty. It is near tall, tall mountains. So when I use my map, guys, I can see that Bolivia is located in South America. And then when I use the pictures, I can see the goats that the text mentioned. I can also see that it looks very sandy, maybe very dry, but that it also has mountains with some snow, so it can get cold there. Tanzania, my heading. My name is Jojo. I live in Tanzania. Some lions, zebras, and monkeys live near my home. My family has a farm. We grow corn and coffee beans. I like corn, but I do not like coffee. If we look at our pictures to get information, we can see that Tanzania on our map is in Africa, a new continent. Just like the text, we can see the monkeys, the lions, and the zebras, but we can also see their clothing. We can see that they wear jewelry. Now it's kind of hard to tell if they have a lot of money or not, but based when I look at their clothing, it doesn't seem like they would have a ton of money over in Africa. I wish I saw a picture of their farm, but the text does say that they grow corn and coffee beans. So that's some new information as well. So as we can see, boys and girls, there's a lot of information that we can get from the text, but we can also get it from looking at the illustrations. It's really important to look at all these details we can see, like on our maps, and about the pictures, like to see their clothing, or what it's like where they live, what animals they use. It's very interesting information. So let's make sure we always learn from the text and the illustrations.